All right, guys, I got a new mic. Going to try it out. I'm going to go do a bee box inspection. See if I can gather my stuff up here and get it going for you guys. So I've lost 2 hives, and this is the last hive I had left, which is, it was one of my worst hives. My 2 best hives have left. I don't know why they left. That's just what bees do, I guess. So I harvested honey last week. So I'm going to go inspect the 1 box that's left. It's a beautiful day today. It's 75 degrees. Nice. It's cloudy, but it's not. It's mostly sunny. So, all right, guys, let me get my stuff together and we'll be right back. All right, guys, it's hard to do one-handed. I'm carrying my tool bucket for the bees, my veil, my smoker. It's all in the bucket. I'm going to try and walk out here to the bees. And I got to hop a couple fences. I could go through the gates, but it's easier just for me to hop the fences. So this is one. It's a jump gate here for the dogs. I can get over that pretty easily. We're getting over the next one. I'm probably going to turn the camera off so I can get over the fence. So, all right, got over the fence. I'm going to walk out here to the apiary. And it's only got one beehive left in it. So, yeah, it really sucks losing a hive, but it's part of beekeeping. And I was warned that this would happen, but I wish I really knew why it happened so I can learn from my mistake if I made one, which I probably did because I'm just a first-year beekeeper. And last weekend was the first time I ever harvested honey, and it turned out very well. So I did get some honey out of the hive that left. So it's not a total loss. I mean, losing the bees sucks, but we'll catch some more this spring. I got my swarm traps are up already because I live in Florida and the bees are very active. I don't think they're swarming right now, but they are very active because it's warm. It's December 29th and it's going to be 80 degrees today. So, all right, guys, I'm going to set up my camera and so I can get inside this box. I can get my smoker going and all that. So we'll be right back. All right, guys, here we go. I got my stuff ready to go. I get in this hive and see what's going on in here. I do have some ants in here. But I got there's a bunch of bees here on top. So that's good. I just want to see how the girls are doing. A lot of bees in here. All right, ladies, come on now. It's just an empty frame, guys. It's all drawn out though. I'm not seeing any small hive beetle. No queen. A lot of empty cells, guys. I really want to see a queen. No queen, all empty cells. I got stores on this side, and then they're all eating it. No cat brood. I'm not seeing a queen, but I have a lot of bees, so I'm sure there's a queen in here somewhere because there is a lot of bees. I got some capped honey on this next frame, so that wasn't there before. That's probably sugar water because I am feeding them. That away, girlfriend. Oh yeah, this is full of cat brood here. All right, that's all. I don't need to see my queen. This is full of very heavy frame. It's got a nice pattern on it. It's full of cat brood. I don't need to go any farther. These guys are going to make it. As long as I can keep them here and keep them happy, they are going to be just fine. She's got plenty of room to lay. So we are going to leave her just like she is. They should be fine. Let me give them some smoke. Run them down. All right, girlfriends. You guys are going to be just fine. Yes, I am very happy with that. It was almost a full frame of cat brood, so we should be good. That should all be good. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. You all know what to do. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all the subscribers. I do appreciate it. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you. See you. All right, guys, I'm walking back from the bee inspection. The wind's blowing. I'm seeing how this audio is going to sound with this new mic I got. So hopefully it works out well. I've been wanting this mic for a minute. I got it for Christmas as a gift. Very happy with it so far. So it sounds pretty good. I'm going to edit the video I just took, and this might be part of it. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But I wanted to the wind is blowing pretty good, so I wanted to see how this mic does in the wind. And I'm very happy with the beehive inspection I just did. I have at least 1.5 full frame of cat brood. That's good. That's baby bees, and it was full of bees. So the hive is doing very well. I'm very happy and grateful for that. So, all All right, guys, that's going to be it for this one. I got to hop fences to get back to the house. Going to be ending this video right here. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. You all know what to do. See ya.